All right, guys, so I know Christmas is this Sunday. So I'm here to tell you, get up from that couch, stop eating that junk food, and take your ass to the gym. Because if nobody's gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you. Listen, I love food and I love the holidays, but I'm not gonna gain these 10 pounds because of the holidays. So, with that being said, let's get this workout in.
Muevan su pum pum cuando yo le tire mi zum zum. En la cintura traigo mi tum tum, mami yo quiero.
Ready to go on a roller coaster?
Mientras te tiro mi lengua al seno, yo soy el macho. Tú quisieras que tu cuerpo aplaste. Donde estaban búas siempre hago desastre. No te me desguilles, que tú sabes que yo hago que brille. Soy el number one, dame otro que los de thriller. Esto es para ustedes, pa' que se lo goce, pa' que se lo goce, pa' que se lo roce. Oye, esto es para ustedes, pa' que se lo goce, pa' que se lo goce. Se lo rocen, oye, vamos morena, culipandea, esa batea, pero que también pichea, la cuechea, esa sí no fantasmea, oye, canción y como frontea, no importa donde me vea, la tuya es la que me llena, alegría pa' mi cuerpo y no me huelen ni las azucenas, el negro jiggy, el enemigo.
We have one more workout, and then we're gonna have a salad because all I've had today is coffee. You have had all your greens. What did you have today, right? Water?
BCAAs and water.
BCAAs and water. So we have not eaten, guys. We are hungry, and we're working out like we had a whole meal. I don't know why we do this to ourselves.
Do this every time.
All the time. But yeah, it's Friday. Let's get it. It's almost Christmas and the New Year. Crazy. Crazy. All right. Okay, let's see. I'm hungry.